Hey guys, thanks a lot for tuning into the vlog. Appreciate you being here. This is that Corvette Feel Good channel. I'm sorry, I guess I'm getting ready for my music video. What? Alright, I let it out of the bag by accident. Yes, we're working on... I told you, I just want to have a small entertainment value for you. So yes, I'm working on recording, and I can't sing, and it's a parody, so it doesn't have to sound good. But we're going to be doing a Rice Baby music video. Alright, more on that in just a bit. Now, seriously, folks, welcome to the channel, and rather than wait till the end of the video, hey, subscribe. I'd love to have you come back. I know that about half the people that are watching our videos don't subscribe. Maybe it's just you're busy and you're watching what have you, and you move on about your day, and that's fine. Maybe you don't know how to subscribe. If you need some help on that, please send me an email. My email address is up on the screen. I want to get you to come back. I want to continue to build this community because you guys have been fantastic. But me as a retail Corvette representative, I've got to talk about some retail stuff. So coming up in a future vlog, I've got a couple of really rare, unique opportunities on one car under 1,000 miles, one car under 100 miles, and these are used 2018s. Stay tuned for that vlog. And we talk about the current and ever-changing, dramatic, that's what you guys like, right? I like the drama. Dramatic, ever-changing Corvette marketplace. We talk about that in the vlog. A little bit of that for you today. One thing I'd like you to do for me, though, I need your help on something for kind of a different vlog I'm going to do, but I'm only going to do it if I get the input and the feedback from you guys. So in the comments below, if you would, give me an idea what type of music you listen to, and probably, well, here, no, probably even more so, give me a specific song that you guys just love cruising to in your Corvette. I mean, you've got that one song, maybe a couple songs, that you're in the car and you just love. You know, it's like, honey, be quiet. Shh, I'm turning the cell phone off, cranking it up. This is my song. This is my jam. That's what I want to know. What songs you like to jam to? And let's take it a step further. If that song is real special to you and it means a lot to you, also in the comments, let me know if it's a song you'd like us to dedicate to someone. Stay tuned. Once we get the feedback, I'll do that vlog, and I think you guys will have fun with it. It'll be something a little different. I'm always trying to change it up just a little bit for you. I'm sorry. I'm just realizing that I'm looking in the side screen here, that my hands are like moving all over the place. And you're like, hey, what's going on, man? Italian, and I talk with my hands. Okay. I'm sorry. I know that drives people nuts sometimes. I think that's my rhythm, that as I'm moving my hands, that the mind keeps working. I can keep talking, so I gotta move my hands, because if I stop moving my hands, I stop talking. Alright, so we changed the camera position, and some of the stuff I like to share in the vlog, like I said, is the after effect of our sales efforts. And I like to show when I'm shipping the car to you folks. I guess it's not so much that, hey, you want to see the car loading on a truck. Okay, well, that's a lot of fun. But I like to showcase the car, because some of you folks do buy some really, really neat cars. Some of you order some of the cars. But it also gives me an opportunity to say thank you for the business and showcase you just a little bit on the vlog. So I do appreciate that. And that's what we're going to do today. We've got a couple of cars going to Washington State. All right, and some current Corvette market news. In case you missed it on Facebook the other day, they did a great job. The National Corvette Museum showed it live. The reveal of the 1962 Corvette, the one that fell in the sinkhole 4 years to the day. During the presentation, I thought it was pretty neat. They talked about how the whole car was tore apart, even showed a small video of that. But when they tore out the seats, they found a Frisch's Big Boy sugar packet behind the seat. So when the car went all back together, they put that sugar packet right back behind the seat. I thought that was incredible. Now the other cool thing, when they took the cover off that car, of course it's a black 1962, they were cranking AC/DC, back in black. Yeah. And this next clip has been all over YouTube these last couple of days, and because we want to keep you up to date in the current Corvette marketplace, you know, in case you missed it, we're going to share it on our vlog too. This guy in a C5 Corvette got behind, in California, got behind a 2020, we assume it's a 2020, C8 Corvette. And let me tell you something, he followed them for a long time. I would have followed them to the ends of the earth. I would have never left.
C8, there it is. Mountain Center, heading to Idlewild, California.
Oh yeah, gang, we're back. I'm glad that you're back too. Thanks again for joining us. My name is Rick Conti, and this is my Corvette vlog. And the sound you hear in the background, yes, that's that beautiful exhaust note from Greg's car going to Washington State. It looks like it's breathing a little heavy, a little foggy. It's just cold, man. It's just cold. You know, doing business with you guys, no matter what state you're in, you can be up the street, you can be across the country like Greg is. It really means a lot to me, and thank you so much for the opportunities. My intention with this car is because this is one of the cars painted out of the new Corvette assembly plant, I wanted to take this car and kind of compare it to the old paint and show you that, yes, there's some improvement, but yeah, the old one's not that bad either. I mean, so come on. But it's all cloudy and okay, so it's not gonna show it off that well, but we'll still show off Greg's car, and I really appreciate his business. He's on our Facebook page as well, and to buy from us a couple thousand miles away. You want to talk, you thought Jesse was nervous. Imagine how Greg feels. Oh my gosh, I've had his car for a couple of weeks. He knew, well, probably more than that. Yeah, I know, Greg, sorry. But he knows that it was going to take a little bit longer because of where that shipping lane is and the lack of going that way. So I appreciate that flexibility and that understanding. And no, I'm not hopping in the car. No surprise visits to Washington State, although it's not a bad idea. We've been screwing around a lot lately, huh? You just never know what I'm going to do next. Stay tuned. Oh, that's a little hook. That's a hook. How about that? But I'm so excited how this Admiral Blue car turned out for Greg. It is beautiful. Gloss black wheels. Oh my gosh, look at the exposed carbon fiber roof. Man, that thing is classy. Isn't that classy? Oh yeah. Wait to see the inside. Well, first let me show you. I love the heritage package, and it's subtle on the Admiral Blue when you have the carbon flash hash marks, which they go great with the black wheels. Black mirrors. Nice job, Greg. This is a 3LT car. Blue. Did I just like make a grunt noise? I'm sorry, it's just, I guess it's a guy thing, right? When you look at that car, it's like, sorry, you guys know what I mean. Let's continue. Okay, that was fake. But no, seriously, look at the blue stitching. What a great accent on the inside. He went with the suede inserts and actually went with a little bit more suede. This kind of emulates that black suede design package, if you will. And check this out. High gloss carbon fiber on the steering wheel. Oh yeah, and check this out. Bam! Blue stitching in the headliner. It's reminiscent of the 2017 Collector's Edition. What a beautiful compliment this car. Now wait a minute. Well, something there from your buddy Rick. Man, oh man, that blue stitching is a compliment everywhere, isn't it? Beautiful up through the dash. Oh, we got it hidden. It's on the steering wheel. It's on the shifter. But hang on, we've got one more going to the state of Washington. How about that? All right, let's go grab Jim's car and get this thing loaded up and headed home. But I got to thank Dave in Washington State, not only for the referral, but for his business. He too bought an Admiral Blue Transport from us. I'll show you a little clip real quick when we loaded Dave's car. All right, Dave, you've waited patiently enough. I thank you so much. You contracted somebody to bring your Grand Sport to the state of Washington, even though we've got two more, one being your buddy. Thank you for that. Jim, yours will be coming soon. And Greg, yours will be coming soon. A couple of more cars going to Washington. This car here, the guy is like those guys I remind you of. You'll stand back, I will load Corvette. He will, I will get out of the way. He shows up 2 days early unannounced, so I just spent a little bit of time helping get this car ready. One thing that frustrates me though, this doesn't have to do with the car business, this has to do with business in general. A lot of you guys can relate to this. I mean, if I walk back in that detail department one more time and I see these guys sitting on their cell phones when they're supposed to be working, dude, don't even get me started. That's all I'm gonna say. Thank you for waiting. Hey Dave, at least it's not raining. I mean, the forecast projected it to rain when we were loading this car, and if I have to go in there and wipe her down, I mean, that's not a problem, but I'm glad I don't have to right now. Hey, now I don't get to Washington like ever, but if I ever do, there's a lot of folks out that way. You, your buddy Jim, Greg, who's also getting an Admiral Blue. Love to shake your guys' hands. I really want to thank you again for your business, and thank you so much for the support from 2,000 plus miles away. Pretty cool. And I gotta give it the typical little send-off pat. Congratulations. Thank you, David. Oh no, we didn't forget about Jim's car, and we actually went outside the box to make this deal happen. Jim, thanks for your business. Thanks for your flexibility. And hey man, I know you've got a Z07 Grand Sport here, so I know, yeah, you'll probably do a little tracking. Don't forget the PDR is located in the glove box. Use your little SD card, nothing bigger than 32 gigs. And we'd love to share some highlights of you on the track right here in the vlog. So send those to me when you get a chance. #1 production color 3 years in a row is the Arctic White. Look at this thing with the black wheels, the black emblems, exposed carbon fiber ground effects, exposed carbon fiber hood stinger. Again, it's cloudy, so you can't really see the accent of that stuff. I don't know if you can see between the plastic, but yes, there are red paddles there. Matching red stitching in the Grand Sport mats. Up through the seats. Oh yeah, buddy, you're gonna have a blast. Great looking car. Well, as much as I tease about surprise visits, and we've done a couple, and I've got a couple of great ideas, that's another thing I've not been able to be there to capture for you. Gotta be careful here as I'm pulling up to the truck. Is when this thing comes off the truck, I'm not there, and I'd love to see your reaction. So, maybe one day. Maybe one day. All right, looks like Greg's car's already on, and we're gonna have to find a way to do our send-off pat, because she's out of the truck. All right, Jim, before he loads this one up, I'll go ahead and do my thing. Little send-off pat. Congratulations, Jim. Thank you again. Greg, you're up in the truck already, so I'm gonna give you a high five pat. Thanks, buddy. Appreciate the business, man. Okay, so if I was actually gonna do a surprise visit, I would actually get right here on the ladder, and I would climb up. It's not happening. And I sure the heck went right back there. I'd right up there, baby. You know what? I just thought of another, yeah, I got another story for you guys. As I'm watching him go up here slowly and safely on the truck. Nothing behind the wheels, but this is an automatic, and I've loaded many of these cars onto the big trucks. I remember one time, guy came in, and it was a stick that I was driving, and the car was going to Minnesota. I remember distinctly. So it started raining, snowing, sleeting. Oh my gosh. It was awful. I mean, I couldn't stand it. I was in the truck, and he's like, hey, can you help me out? The snow starts coming down, so I'm driving it up. Didn't put anything behind the wheels. And the truck was kind of tilted a little bit. I let off that clutch, and whoa. I swear to God, I thought I was going to fall off the thing. I said, put me down right now. You get paid to do this. You put it up there. I'm not doing it. I did. And I don't know how far I came to the edge, but glad we weren't vlogging then, and I'm just glad that the car didn't fall off the trailer. I was freaked out. Yeah, I just got a little nervous. Now, I think if I had to do it today, a little more comfortable with the car and the release point of the clutch and what have you, but man, oh man, did that thing get my attention. I mean, my face must have turned 8 shades of white and red all at the same time. Remember, Jim, we talked about that you're going to do some tracking. Yes, you're going to have your 500-mile break-in for the track. You've got to put 1,500 miles on it before you go really scooting around that track and kicking it, okay? All right. I put a note on the seat to remind you of that as well. Now, of course, you got to watch out for the other idiots on the road, but I mean, I can't control that, but you can control you, and these tires help you control the car. Well, you know what it is. It's like, hey, I could drive it in adverse weather. I'm good. It's just the goofy guy that wants to try and pass somebody when there's a bunch of slush and changes the lane, and all of a sudden he just woo, slides over in your lane. It's like, okay,